All right, so these are some more problems that are on the same sheet, and I have worked out problems 2, 3, and 4, including the check, so that if you like, you can come back here and check your answers. I'm just put a box around them so you can find them more easily. I do want to, however, go ahead and do this first problem with you live while I'm recording, so that you can see how I'm handling this. When I look at this problem right here, this first problem right here, I noticed something about it. I noticed that it is very similar to that special case scenario that I told you about, because the fraction bar is going all the way across. I can see that d minus 2, so that entire quantity of d minus 2 is being divided by 3, and that equals 7. So let me just clear up and make some space here so that I have room to actually work. So those are the things that I wanted to point out. So here is how I'm going to handle this. I am going to go ahead and put a set of parentheses around this just to make sure that I don't accidentally end up separating them. So they're not going to get separated. They have to stay together. So I've got d minus 2 being divided by 3, and that equals 7. I'm going to box the variable like I normally do. And I will also make my line that like I normally do at this point. And my aim is to isolate that variable and get d by itself. However, since d minus 2, all of it is being divided by 3, I'm not going to undo addition or subtraction. Instead, I'm going to undo that division right now. And when I do that, these cross out, I'm left with d minus 2 equals 21. And now I can undo the addition or subtraction. So I am going to add 2 to both sides. And I find that d equals 23. I will go ahead and do the check like I normally do, just to make sure that we got this correct. So when I do the check, I can see that d is 23. So I'm checking to see if 23 minus 2 divided by 3 equals 7. Does that actually equal 7? That's what I am questioning. 23 minus 2 leaves me with 21. 21 divided by 3, does that equal 7? And yes, I can see that 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 does equal 7. Check, I'm good. Okay, so I would be doing this check just like that. Things are kind of messy here, so I'm just gonna like draw a line here so we keep things a little separated.